Start of a new day and a new week, April 14th. You're here with Chico. And the first thing I want to say is the market's up a little bit here, not a whole lot. Last Friday, late last Friday, Trump announced the exceptions for certain electronics coming uh, from China to be exempt from the reciprocal tariff. So that was pretty big news. Things like, PC computers and chips for PC computers, memory, iPhones, and what have you. So that was pretty big news, and Apple is up today. And what I'm showing here now is on a different topic. Is I noticed WeBull got added to the NASDAQ somehow, either through a merger of a company or I don't know if it's an IPO, but it's at 53 points as we speak, and so yeah, that's pretty cool. They're a competitor to different trading platforms. Probably like a good example is Robinhood. And speaking of Robinhood, they they added betting or predictions, their futures predictions, which is I'm just going to use the word betting, to the Masters golf tournament. Previously to that, they had that for March Madness basketball. So Robinhood themselves are doing. I think they're doing well with this, and yeah, the stock hasn't really been. It was down a bunch, but now it's back up to 40 some points, which was I think it's holding steady despite all the noise with the tariffs. And I'm just wondering when Robinhood will come up with like the mainstream sports such as Major League Baseball, basketball, or NFL football. When that happens, I imagine their stock is gonna have a very positive impact to it. It'll probably surge. So, anyways, given where we're at this market, I think I heard there might be tariffs against chip. Trump might announce tariffs for chips this week, and along further down this week, we also have earnings report. We got some by the banks, which I'm not too interested in. Today we got earnings from Goldman. Tomorrow we got Bank of America, Citibank. But Wednesday is ASML. ASML makes manufacturing equipment for chips, and I guess they made some of the highest performance, like the highest performance equipment, and some of their equipment is not allowed to be exported into China because U.S. has sanctioned that or forced ASML, which is headquartered in the Netherlands, not to prevent them from doing so, and only export cheaper versions or lower performance machines. And then on Thursday we got TSMC, which is one of the largest fab companies in the world, and so we'll get a heartbeat on how the market for chips are, and if they have any things to say specifically for artificial intelligence. So this could have a positive or negative impact for companies like NVIDIA, AMD, Avago. And then there's Netflix reporting on Thursday too, but I don't think we're going to be too interested in that. And then Friday the markets are closed for Good Friday. So it's a short week. So when we open a contract expiration, basically we'll only go to Thursday, not Friday, for our weekly contracts, call contracts. But as of now, I don't see any good plays. I don't want to make a play right now. I wanted to see if there's any further news today before deciding on making a play to sell a call option contract. So yeah, I hope you're having a good day, and I'll catch you next episode then. Okay.